In this episode, researchers explore nacre's layered structure to explain how synthetic composites achieve toughness without weight. Gecko-inspired microstructures enable strong, dry adhesives for grippers and robots that stick and release smoothly on varied surfaces. Shark skin patterns reduce biofouling and drag, guiding ships and turbines toward cleaner, more efficient operation. Mycelium and fungal networks mature into sustainable bricks and biodegradable packaging with low energy footprints. Microbial fuel cells harness photosynthetic algae to convert sunlight into electricity, opening off-grid bioenergy possibilities.